Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 10th for class 7th. So let's open that chapter number 10 at page number 104. So this is page number 104 and the chapter name is Surfing Net and Email. Now come to the exercise of this chapter at page number 108. So first exercise in fill in the blanks is what allows users to share their thoughts with the world. So a blog, we have to write here blog. A blog allows users to share their thoughts with the world. Next is what is a new form of communication in which users can describe their status in short posts. So microblogging is the new feature. Micro, right here, microblogging. Next is tweets are restricted to how many characters? 140 characters. Next is what things in email is a text which is automatically added to your outgoing mail, that is called signature. Right here, signature. Next is what is the process of sending and receiving text based messages over the internet, that is called email. So this is email. Next is Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the founders of what? They are the founders of Google. Now come to the next page where true false are there. So first is what? A blog consists of a signed and dated log of individual posting. Yes, it is true. An email address cannot identify a location on the internet where an email can be sent. No, it is false. Every address of email from where it has been sent, it could be identified easily by checking the location from where it has been sent. Next is subscribing and unsubscribing to mailing list is an easy task. Yes, true. Next is a same mail can be sent to many persons by typing their email addresses separated by semicolons. False, because for this commas are used in place of semicolons. Next is a contact once saved in the contacts list cannot be edited. No, it could be edited. It is false. Next is you can group and store one type of contacts in a group. Yes, it is true. Now next is application based question. So first is Arjun is a businessman. The nature of his business demands a lot of traveling. Since his schedule remains hectic, he cannot go to railway station to reserve the tickets. Suggest to him the option using which he can reserve the railway tickets without hampering his schedule. He should use what? E-reservation process. Right here, e-reservation, through which he can book the tickets from their home also. Next is Radhika is an aspiring writer. She wants to create an account in a social networking site where she can follow some well-known writers and receive their messages. Help her to choose one of the best online social networking service for the same. Right here, email. Email service is better for that process. Next is multiple choice questions. So first is an email address consists of two parts separated by what? Separated by @sign. B option is correct. Next is an email address cannot contain what? Spaces between the names or address of email. Next is what are extra browser windows of commercial that open automatically while browsing web pages? That is pop-ups. Next is who is the founder of Twitter? So Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter. Now come to the question answers of this chapter. So here is the first question of this chapter is what is newsgroup? Explain briefly. So a newsgroup is an internet community which is dedicated to the discussion of a particular topic of interest. They are nearly about current events and covers everything from computers. Next question is how will you add a new contact in an address book? So firstly what you have to do, select contact option from Gmail drop down arrow, then click on new contact button in the contact window, then Enter the required information and click on Save Now button. The last question is, how will you add an attachment to your email? So firstly, click on attachment sign given in the window, then browse and select required file which you want to attach. Now if you write about the short notes of this chapter, so first is microblogging. What is microblogging? Microblogging is a new form of communication in which users can describe their status in short posts distributed by messages, email, digital audio, etc. Next is mailing list. So what is mailing list? A mailing list is a system by which a group of people can have a discussion via email. And next is chat room. So what is chat room? Chat room is an area on the internet or other computer network where user can communicate, typically one dedicated to a particular topic. So all the exercise of this chapter is completed now. Have a good day.